Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the 3 polishes that were in January's For the Love of Polish box. For those of you who may not be aware, For the Love of Polish is a monthly subscription box put on by the brand Polish for Daze. Now in these monthly boxes, there are always 2 consistent brands, that being Polish for Daze, of course, and then the brand Pahlish. Also, each month they have a guest creator come in and create a polish around that month's theme. I'm going to leave down below the link for Polish for Daze so you guys can head on over there and see if this For the Love of Polish monthly subscription box is something that you would be interested in. If not, the brand Polish for Daze has amazing polishes on there. I'm sure you'll find something that you cannot live without. Now let's check out January's 3 polishes with the Winter Wonderland theme. Now I'm going to start off with one of the consistent polishes in the box. This one is Polish for Daze, and this is called Midnight Snow. This is so pretty. Polish for Daze Midnight Snow is described as a navy jelly base with blue to pink to purple shifting iridescent flakes and holographic flakes. This is amazing. Polish for Daze does these polishes so beautifully. This is a great formula. There's chunky glitters and flakes in here, so on the first coat this is almost completely opaque. Applying a second coat here of Midnight Snow does bring this polish completely opaque. It does dry a tiny bit textured, so you may want a top coat to smooth that all out. Because this polish is so jam-packed with flakies and glitters, you do have to do some scrubbing upon removal or use a peel-off base coat. The other consistent polish is by Pahlish. This one here is called Glistening Glow. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing this right now, you guys. The name is totally what it is. I mean, this glistens off your nails. It is amazing. Pahlis's Glittering Glow is described as a soft winter white jelly with holographic flakes, iridescent orange to gold to green shifting flakes and glitter, and soft copper sparks. Pahlis's Glittering Glow, and that first coat is almost completely opaque. I can see a tiny bit of my nail line because those flakies are so big in there. It does apply a little bit uneven. Applying the second coat of Glittering Globe here does bring this polish completely opaque. It does dry a tiny bit textured and a little bit dull, but a good top coat will take care of that. The guest creator for January is Great Lakes Lacquer. Now I have wanted to try Great Lakes Lacquer for so long. I am so glad that this was in the box, and this is called Winter Solstice Sunset. So pretty. This is a thermal polish too. Great Lakes Lacquer Winter Solstice Sunset is described as a tri-thermal shifting from slate periwinkle to rose pink to mint, filled with purple to bronze to green, shifting aurora shimmer, filled with a dusting of holographic micro flakes. Great Lakes Lacquer Winter Solstice Sunset in that first coat does apply great. This is a beautiful formula polish. I love this. You can still see my nail line a tiny bit, so going in for the second coat here does bring it completely opaque. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know which one of these polishes was your favorite. I gotta say, all of these polishes are absolutely beautiful, but my favorite has got to be Pahlis's Glittering Globe. I love this polish. It just makes me so happy. Please leave any comments or suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.